Congresswoman Underwood, Congresswoman Kelly, and Congresswoman Adams, and Twina Nobles from my home state of Washington, and so many others to talk about how Building Back Better means addressing maternal mortality. It is unacceptable that our country has the worst maternal health death rate in the developed world, and it is an outrage that for years now it has been on the rise and is continuing to disproportionately affect Black, American Indian, and Alaska Native women. In 2019, actually before COVID-19 hit, over 750 women in our country died from causes related to pregnancy, which was almost 100 more deaths than the year before that. And the maternal death rate for Black women was 2.5 times higher than for white women. Additionally, the rate for the American Indian and Alaska Native American women is over twice as high as for white women. And according to CDC, almost 2/3 of pregnancy-related deaths are preventable. But we know too many pregnant women are not able to get the care they need. And even when they are able to speak with a healthcare provider, we know that too often women, and especially women of color, don't have their concerns taken seriously and are not listened to about the pain that they are experiencing. They deserve so much better. And while the need to address the reality of our nation's appalling maternal death rate and health inequities is already clear and urgent before this pandemic, COVID-19 has made it worse. This virus has been especially dangerous for pregnant patients. And due to the long-standing inequities in our healthcare system, it has been especially devastating for communities of color. It should be obvious to everyone. We cannot build back from this crisis stronger and fairer if we leave mothers behind. This is a priority for women and families, and it has to be a priority for us. And that's what this event is about today. Finally, prioritizing maternal health and showing how much we can change when we have champions for moms at every level of government, from President Biden and Vice President Harris, who are prioritizing this like never before, to local champions like Senator Nobles from Furcrest, Washington, who I am so honored to introduce right now. Senator Twina Nobles is the state senator for Washington's 28th district and the CEO for the Tacoma Urban League. Under her leadership, the Tacoma Urban League developed a program to address the challenges that women, especially Black women, face in childbirth and support aspiring doulas and midwives in their community. Senator Nobles, I am so glad to have you with us today. I'm grateful for all you do for families in our state. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you very much, Senator Murray. I am so honored to be here today. And in the Urban League movement,